In this meditation, you'll cultivate focus and presence during long trading sessions. Using mindfulness and breath awareness, you'll strengthen your concentration and stay alert. You will visualize staying calm and present even when trading screens and numbers seem endless. This practice will help prevent mental fatigue and keep your mind sharp. Settle comfortably in your chair and take several deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Notice any tension in your body and consciously let it go with each exhale. Relax your eyes, shoulders, and jaw and feel yourself becoming centered and alert with every breath. Now imagine that you are in the middle of a long trading session. The screens around you are filled with charts, numbers, and data. Perhaps you start to feel fatigue or your mind begins to wander. Maybe your eyes glaze over or you catch yourself thinking about non-trading matters. Notice any signs of tiredness or distraction. Without judgment, simply acknowledge these sensations. Even if you feel a bit weary, remind yourself that this moment can be an opportunity to reset your focus. Continue to breathe calmly. Now focus your attention on one detail in front of you. It could be the pattern of a chart candlestick, the color of a line, or the sound of your breath. Imagine a spotlight of attention shining on this single point, drawing all of your mental energy to it. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to that detail or to the rhythm of your breathing. Allow each breath to anchor you further into the present moment. Next, perform a quick mental scan of your body. Starting at your feet, move your attention slowly upward. Notice any tightness or tiredness. For example, check if your legs are tense, then relax them. Notice your lower back and release any stiffness. Scan up to your shoulders, releasing the weight there. Breathe in and let the tension flow away. This body scan can re-energize you and keep you attentive. Now imagine you have a burning flame in front of you. This flame represents your focus. With each inhale, picture the flame growing brighter and steadier. With each exhale, imagine the flame steadying and erasing thoughts. See yourself watching the flame without blinking, remaining calm and present as it dances gently. If thoughts drift in, acknowledge them as background noise and return your gaze to the flame. Feel how a steady breath keeps the flame from flickering, keeping your mind clear. Bring your awareness back to the trading environment. You are alert and fully present. Feel the steadiness in your gaze and mind. Repeat silently, I am focused and fully present. Take a moment to appreciate your clarity. Each trade you approach with this clear mind will be more precise and calm. When you are ready, take one final deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, then open your eyes or return your gaze to the screens. Carry this sense of presence with you. You can always pause, breathe, and refocus whenever you need. Trust that this focus you've found will carry you forward through the rest of the session. You have the skill to remain calm and present, using each breath as a reminder. Your mind is clear, and you are ready to trade with sharp attention.